Hi, Cora. Any luck?
Not yet. I can't get the radio to work.
Any idea what's wrong?
The generator's out of juice, that's all. Can you find me some more diesel for it? Thanks for that. Can you fill up the generator and get it started? Try switching it on. That's better. I still can't get this radio to work, though. It looks like it was shorted out at some point. Can you check out these plans and help me to replace the broken parts? Nicely done! You're more handy than I give you credit for.
Thanks.
We've still got a problem, though. You hear all that static? That means we don't have a clear signal yet. I think it's because the antenna is too low.
Okay, what can I do?
I'm not sure you're gonna like this, but we need to place the antenna on top of the motel sign, all the way up there. Great, you found the ladder, but it looks like it's broken. Maybe you've got something in your inventory that can fix that. I like your quick fix solution. It looks like something I would have done. Now you just need to find some place to put the ladder. We have no way of knowing whether whoever made that message is still there. That signal could have been playing on a loop for years. I hadn't thought about it that way. I guess you're right.
Oh no. This is bad. This is bad. This is bad.
Talk to Sophie. That's a young man in need of some assistance.
Quiet, B.O.B.
I'm sorry, Sophie.
What is it?
I was loading up the pigs and it's the chickens. They got out. Can you help me to catch them? Please? Thanks, Soph. I mean it. I think I'm okay to finish up here, but Cora might need some help.
Hi, Sophie. Why? Aren't I allowed to say goodbye? Thanks. I'll be okay, I think. It's just, out here, it's as if I can still hear her sometimes, you know?
That must be nice.
I think I've been out here long enough. Let's go find the others.
They don't exactly sound friendly, do they?
We have no way of knowing whether whoever made that message is still there. That signal could have been playing on a loop for years. I hadn't thought about it that way.
So that means we're going south.
Into the wailing wind.